we are going to find the area of this aeroplane, that is a paper sheet like an aeroplane, and we need to find out area of this aeroplane. The complete aeroplane is categorized into different parts. This one second part, then third part, then fourth part, then fifth part, having different shapes. Just like first part, this one is in the shape of a triangle with one side 5 centimeters, and since this one is an aeroplane, it means it should be symmetrical. That is, अगर इस साइड की लेंथ 5 centimeters है, this one should also be equal to 5 centimeters. If this one is 1 centimeters, then this short side should be equal to 1 centimeters. So firstly, we will try to find area of first part of the aeroplane, that is this triangle having sides 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 1 centimeter. So we can say here in figure 1, A equals to, that is one side 5 centimeters, B equals to second side again 5 centimeters, and C, that is third side 1 centimeters. So if lengths of all the sides are given, then we will apply Heron's formula to find out area of this triangle. In order to find Heron's formula, firstly we will find S, that is semi-perimeter A plus B plus C upon 2. We can say 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2. It means 11 upon 2. That is 5.5. Now, area of figure first, it will be by Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root. Here S is 5.5. 5.5 minus A is 5, then 5.5 minus B, 5.5 minus C is 1, it will be 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5, again 5.5 minus 5, that is 0.5, and 5.5 minus 1, it will be 4.5. अगर पेयरिंग हो, हम पेयरिंग करके स्क्वायर रूट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यहाँ में सारे पार्ट्स को बाद में ऐड करना है. दैट्स वाई अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा, इट विल बी 6.1875. इन सारी टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. नाउ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 6.1875, इट विल बी 2.49 centimeter square. This one is first part, that is first figure. So area हमने फाइंड आउट कर लिया 2.49 centimeter square. तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ, फर्स्ट पार्ट का एरिया हमारे पास आ गया 2.49 centimeter square. अब इसको मैं यहाँ से इरेज करूंगा. We will try to find area of figure second. Now this one is the figure second, and figure second is in the shape of a rectangle. This one with length 6.5 centimeters and width is 1 centimeter. So area of figure second, that is area of rectangle, it will be length into breadth. Length is 6.5 into 1, it will be 6.5 centimeter square. इसको मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे सेकेंड. दिस वन इज 6.5 centimeter square. देन थर्ड पार्ट, दिस वन इज द थर्ड पार्ट, और थर्ड पार्ट इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ ट्रेपेजियम. पिछले वीडियो में हमने इस ट्रेपेजियम का एरिया फाइंड आउट किया था, और दिस एरिया वाज आई थिंक 1.29 centimeter square. देन फिगर 4 एंड 5. तो अगर मैं फिगर 5 की बात करता हूँ यहाँ पे, दिस वन इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. like this. Since the given shape represents an aeroplane, so we can say wings of the aeroplane. This one is the wing. These are the wings of the aeroplane. So this angle should be equal to 90 degree. The shape, that is shape 5, is a right triangle with one side 6 centimeters, one side 1.5 centimeters. Okay. We can find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. अगर मैं third side find करता हूँ, then we will apply Heron's formula to find the area of this triangle. But since this one is a right triangle, we can also find the area of figure 5. 1/2 base into adjective. इन दो साइड्स के बीच 90 डिग्री का एंगल है. मैं एक को बेस कंसिडर करूंगा, एक को एल्टीट्यूड कंसिडर करूंगा. वन लेंथ इज 1.5 सेंटीमीटर्स इनटू सेकंड वन इज 6 सेंटीमीटर्स. 2 into 3, this one is 6, so 1.5 multiply 3, that is 4.5 centimeters. Area of figure 5 equals to 4.5 centimeters. Figure 5, that is 4.5 centimeters. Wings है दोनों. If this one area of figure 5 is 4.5, it means area of figure 4 should be equal to 4.5 centimeter square. We can write similarly area of figure 4 equals to 4.5 centimeter. यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे भी स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. जब हमने सारे पार्ट्स के एरिया यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट कर लिया, at the end we need to find out area of this complete aeroplane. We can write area of aeroplane. This one is equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3 up to figure 4. So area of figure 1 is 2.49 centimeter square. Area of figure 2 6.5 centimeter square. Area of figure 3 1.29 centimeter square. Area of figure 4 4.5 and figure 5 is also 4.5. जब इन सारे एरियाज को हम ऐड करेंगे, the result is approximately 9.28 centimeter square. This one is question number 3 from second exercise of Heron's formula. I hope all the steps will be clear. Thank you.